Is your iPhone camera turning out blurry and struggling to focus? Don't worry, I'm here to help you out. In this video, I'll walk you through some quick and simple solutions to tackle those blurry camera and focus issues on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Clean the camera lens. First, gently wipe the camera lens using a microfiber cloth. Then make sure there are no dirt, smudges, or fingerprints affecting the lens. Now check if your photos are clearer. Solution 2. Enable lens correction. First, open up the Settings app. Then scroll down until you find the camera option. Now look for lens correction and ensure it's turned on. Solution 3. Force close the camera app. Next, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle if you have an iPhone without a home button. If you have one with a home button, just double-click it. After that, locate the camera app and swipe up to close it. Now reopen the camera app and see if it's functioning properly. If it's still not working, Solution 4. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings once more. Then, scroll down and tap on General. After that, select Software Updates. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Now after updating, see if the camera quality has improved. Solution 5. Reset all settings. First, head back to Settings. Then scroll down and tap on General again. After that, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then choose Reset all settings. Confirm your choice by tapping Reset all settings once more. Your settings will be reset, but don't worry, your data won't be lost. Now test your camera afterward to see if it works better. Solution 6. Check for hardware issues. Finally, inspect the camera for any signs of physical damage. If you notice a cracked or damaged lens, it might need a repair. Then reach out to Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. And that's how you can fix a blurry camera on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching.